Okay. Hi, good morning. This is Alexandra speaking. It is a pleasure to be here with you once again, guys. It's nice to hear you and see you again. Let's go ahead and check our topic for today. We are going to be checking the body parts. I have prepared this class with a fun activity at the end of this class. I hope you enjoyed the whole class, guys. So we are going to start checking about the diagram of the body parts. We have the parts of our body that you can see, you can touch, you can hear, and you can smell, so on and so on. We have the external parts, which means outside, that describes the body parts that you can see. Take a look at a help diagram that labels major external body parts. We have the face, the torso, arm, hand, feet. Those are the parts that we have in the. Let me go ahead and go on in this. The parts of the head and the neck. We're going to start with that. You can't see all the parts of your head without a mirror because your eyes are on the head too. Take a look at the external parts of the head, what they do and where they're located. We have our face that is in front of the head. We have your scalp, top of the head. We have the forehead, up top of the face, above the eyes. We have the neck, below the head, above the shoulders. We have the eyes, below the forehead, above the nose. And we have also the mouth, below the nose. And we have the nose, middle of the face. You can see all your parts using a mirror, right? So, of the head and neck. Then we have the tongue that is inside of the mouth. We have the eyelid just above the eye. We have the eyelash on the edge of the eyelid. We have the ear, hair, jaw, and teeth. Then we have the part of the arms. Each part of your arm has a specific function. Some parts help you bend and others help you experience the sense of the touch. And don't forget the part that says humans apart from most other animals, the opposite of the thumb. So let's go ahead and check them out. We have the arm on either side of the torso that the function is performing tasks without movement, with movement. We have the upper arm between shoulders and elbows, flexing the arm, connecting the lower arm to the shoulder. We have the forearm between elbows and the wrist, flexing the wrist, connecting the arm to the wrist. We have the shoulder joint between the upper arm and torso, connecting to the upper arm to the torso, allowing the arm to rotate and providing strength to the arm. We have the elbow joint between the upper arm and forearm, connecting the upper arm to the forearm, extending the arm, rotating the lower arm. Then we have the wrist that joined between the forearm and the hand, and connecting the forearm to the hand, rotating to the hand. We have the knuckles joined between hand bones and finger bones. That the function is connecting the fingers to the arm, to the hand, allow fingers to bend and extend. And we have also more part of the arms, and that is the hand at the end of the arm, connect to the wrist, fine motor skills. Then we have the palm, flat side of the hand, helping with grip, sense of touch. We have the finger end of the end, helping with the grip, sense of touch, gesturing, pointing, hand signals. Then we have the fingernail, end of the finger that protected the nail bends and from foreign particles, helping the grip. Then we have the thumbs, left or the right side of the hand, helping with grip. Opposite can turn back against the other fingers. Okay. Then we have the parts of the legs. It's easy to think that your legs are just the bottom half of your body, but they are not. This list of the body parts divides the legs into different sections according to the location and function. We have the leg, below torso, above foot, keeping the body stable, walking, running, bending the body. We have the thigh, top of the leg, above the knee, allowing the leg to flex and move, supporting weight of the upper body. Then we have the shin, lower leg, under the knee, flexing the foot, stabilizing the ankle. Then we have the knee, joint between the thigh and shin, bending the leg, supporting weight to the upper body. Rotating the foot, connecting the foot to the leg. That is the function of the ankle. Then we have the foot, but bottom of the leg, walking, supporting body weight, propelling the body forward. Then we have the toe of the foot, providing balance while walking, distributing body weight. And then we have the heel, back of the foot, distributing body weight. Then we have the part of the torso. You have heard about the strength in your core, but what does it mean? Your core is the middle of your body, where your arms and legs branch off. These are the external parts of your core and what they do for your body. Guys, remember this. This is very important to appreciate each part of our body because it helps us a lot. And sometimes we don't notice that help. We are okay with our bodies, but let's remember this, the parts of the body and their functions. So we have the part of torso that begin with the torso, middle of the body between the neck and the legs, that help that the function is stabilizing the body, protecting internal organs, connecting the limbs to the body. Then we have the chest, top of the course, the torso, protecting lungs and heart, assisting in arm movement. Then we have the abdomen, middle of the torso, stabilizing the body, protecting internal organs. Belly button, middle of the belly, connects a baby umbilical cord to its mother placenta before birth. Then we have the back of the torso, stabilizing the body, protecting vertebrae, which send a message to the rest of the body. And then the buttocks, back of the torso, just above the legs, cushioning the body when sitting, assisting in hip and thigh movement. We have the waist, middle of the torso, stabilizing the body, allowing the upper body to bend the lower half. Then we have the hips, lower side of the torso, supporting body weight, helping with walking, sitting, and standing. Though that was the class about the body parts, guys. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you understand this topic and the function of the body, the parts of our body that are very, very beneficial for us. Let's go ahead and check the activity that I have for you. Let me one moment here. I have prepared an activity for you in order to have fun. This is going to be an individual activity, guys, for you. I'm going to share the link right here below the meeting in the chat. You will need to open this link, then you will see this page and you are going to start working on that. Start working on the crossword, matching the words to the correct pictures, and complete it. You have around 20 minutes to complete it. You will remember all of the parts that we just saw on this class, and you're going to be having fun. Then you will have to find the secret. There is a secret message in the middle of the crossword. Where you see the green part, there is a secret message. Then you need to put it right below. Then once you finish, once you complete all of the activity, you need to select the option that says finish, okay? Finish. And once you finish, I want you to check the answers. Check the answers. And once you check the answers, I need you to take a screenshot and send it through here to the Microsoft Teams chat on our meeting, or you can send it privately. And then you will see what are the correct ones you got. If you are missing one, if we need to review one, if you want me to repeat, I will be right here in order to help you to remember and help you out with that. If you are having any issue, any doubt, I will be here helping you. Important information, guys. If you have any issue, if you are not able to open the link on your computer, on your cell phone, just let me know and we are going to check what are we going to do in order to you complete the activity. Also, the first 5 students that finish this activity, they are going to have an extra thing. We are going to be helping you, and I'm going to be giving you 1 point. And that would be a part of the activity, the grade of the activity. But in order to check who are the ones that finish first, all right? You will have 20 minutes to complete it. And if you have any issue, you can raise your virtual hand and I will be right here in order to help you. Please have fun. Don't forget that this activity is in order to have fun, in order to concentrate, in order to think what we saw, and it will be very helpful in order to remember the part of our body and remember the functions and what they do for us. Okay? Thank you very much, guys. I will be right here.